How to cancel PlantSnap subscription. Welcome, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Let me show you the easiest way to cancel your PlantSnap subscription without launching its application or its website. All you have to do is simply go ahead and check out your Play Store. In your Play Store, first thing to keep in mind is that you must be logged in with the account through which you have purchased your PlantSnap subscription. After which, head over to Payment and Subscription. You will see the subscription button, click on it. After which, you will find PlantSnap in it. Next to it, you will see either Edit button or Manage. Tap on the button. Then you will see a Cancel Subscription option, click on it. After which, tap on Cancel for confirmation. And just like that, you'll be able to cancel your PlantSnap subscription. If you are not an Android user and an iOS user, all you have to do is check out your phone settings, head over to your payment method, click on your subscriptions. There you will see your PlantSnap and simply tap on the Cancel Subscription button. And yes, it is that simple. Just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.